Good morning, everybody. I am Amir Khan, Faculty of Chemistry from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Dear student, today I will discuss the most important topic for class 11th, and the topic is hybridization. Student, first of all, we know the meaning of hybridization. So what is hybridization? So hybridization is a process in which the atomic orbital of an atom itself combine to form a hybrid orbital having comparable energy and most stability. Okay, so hybridization is a very important topic. Why hybridization is a very important topic? Because from hybridization we can easily identify the nature and strength of bond. Okay, from hybridization we can easily calculate the bond order also. From hybridization we can easily identify the nature of element and electronegativity. By hybridization we can easily calculate the shape of a molecule. Okay, so these are the flowing features of hybridization. We can easily see ethane, the C and C stand for what? Carbon. The carbon bond length is 154 pictometer and each CH bond length is 109 pictometer. Okay, in case of unhybridized orbital 2px or 2py, one of the carbon atom overlaps sideways with similar orbital of the other carbon atom to form weak pi bond. So dear student, what is pi bond? What is pi bond? Actually the bond which is formed by lateral overlapping of electron orbital. So what is pi bond? The bond which is formed by lateral overlapping of atomic orbital. Okay, what is sigma bond? Sigma bond is formed by head-on overlapping of atomic orbital. Dear student, one thing is very important. Sigma bond is single bond. All single bond are sigma bond. Okay, all single bonds are sigma bond. In double bond there is one sigma and one pi. Okay, all single bond are sigma bonds, and in double bond there is one sigma bond and one pi bond. In case of double bond, dear student, one sigma and one pi, and in case of triple bond there is one sigma and two pi. So in case of triple bond there is a one sigma and two pi. So this is very genuine and practical concept regarding overlapping of atomic orbital. So in case of water molecule, the hybridization of central atom oxygen is sp3. In case of ammonia molecule, the hybridization of nitrogen atom is also sp3. But in case of carbon dioxide means CO2, the hybridization of central atom means carbon is sp. Dear student, one thing is also remember, if the molecule having hybridization sp, in that situation the shape of the molecule is linear. Okay, and the hybridization is sp2, the shape of the molecule is what? The shape of the molecule is triangular planar. So in case of benzene, the formula of benzene is what? C6H6. In case of benzene, their hybridization of each carbon is sp2 and the molecule is what? Triangular planar. Yes, we know that. In case of benzene, the formula of benzene is what? Formula of benzene is C6H6 and each carbon atom having hybridization what? sp2, and sp2 hybridization leads to what? Triangular planar structure. This is a very important point. Now in case of ammonia NH3, I am already explained you. In case of ammonia NH3, hybridization is what? sp3. So sp3 hybridization in case of ammonia leads to the structure is what? Tetrahedral. Leads to the structure is what? Tetrahedral. So tetrahedral structure in case of ammonia is very important regarding the stability of ammonia. Similarly, in case of water, the structure of water is what? The structure of water is also tetrahedral, and the shape of the molecule is also tetrahedral, and the hybridization is what? And the hybridization is sp3. Okay. Now come to the next point. Now see, in case of CH4 is what? Methane, or in case of methane, the central atom carbon having hybridization sp3. What? sp3. So in case of carbon central atom, the hybridization is what? sp3. Hybridization is what? sp3. sp3 hybridization. Okay. sp3 hybridization in case of methane will generate what? Tetrahedral structure. So this is very important concept regarding methane. Now, so okay, we can easily identify hybridization with the help of number of sigma bond. If a molecule having 4 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp3. Okay. If a molecule having 3 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp2. If a molecule having 2 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp. Okay. sp hybridization leads to linear structure. sp2 hybridization leads to triangular planar. sp3 hybridization leads to tetrahedral structure. So these are the key features of the hybridization. Now come to the next point. Next point is what? Regarding hybridization or atomic orbital concept. Another point is also very important. Yes. Okay, types of hybridization. Now see here. dsp2 hybridization leads to square planar. sp3d hybridization leads to triangular bipyramidal structure. sp3d2 leads to square pyramidal structure. sp3d2 or d2sp3 leads to octahedral structure. Okay, and these are the flowing examples of the molecule. Square pyramidal molecule are BRF5. Triangular bipyramidal molecule like PCl5 or PF5. Okay, so dear student, this is the topic of hybridization. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.